So I'm going to show you how I mount my prints. I've got my print here and I'm sitting it on a clean protective board so it doesn't get any marks on it. And I'm using masking tape, taping all the way across the back, making sure it's nice and smooth. Okay, set it down there and centre it here. So I just move it around until I am sure I'm happy with the positioning. So I think that's nice and centred there. I'll flatten it down at the top there, that's where the masking tape is. Making sure beforehand that my hands are nice and clean and grease free. So I turn it over and I completely flatten the masking tape there. Now I use gravity for the rest of it. I don't put masking tape anywhere else around it on the back, because when the paper contracts and changes size through humidity and things like that, if you tape all the way around, it can do it an injustice. You could end up with little warps and things like that on the front. So one piece of masking tape, very securely taped up at the very top, and that's it. Gravity takes care of the rest. So I'm going to put the backing board on it now. This is really useful for keeping it nice and protected until it's framed. So just one other piece of masking tape there, keep the backing board in place, fold it over, flatten it down, and there we have the print all nicely mounted. Now I'm going to name it and sign it, so it's done Vegan Castle, and my signature along at this side. Then what I do is I put another little label on the back, so I'll quickly write out Done Vegan Castle, just in case my writing on the front ever becomes illegible, if I'm writing it speedily or if I write it in script and it's not that clear. So I print it on the back on this little label, put that there. Then it's ready to go into its protective bag. So I slide that in there, and there it is, safely protected in its bag until you take it home and take it out of its bag, put it in its frame and hang it on the wall. I add another little label here. Oh, where's my string? There it is. So I've got my little label with a hole in it, feed the string through, there we go, it's ready to stick on the back. And that's useful if it's in shops, for sale in shops. They can put their price stickers on this little label. And there we go, there we have it, my print. All mounted, backing board, protective bag, label, sticker, name and signature. Okay, I hope you find this useful. Thank you, bye.